Welcome to Dockside Resort.
We are headed to our room. We're in Tower 1.
Because we're number one.
That's exactly what I thought. We're number one. We're number one. Kelly's leading the way. Our fearless leader.
Ooh, just like Surfside.
I thought
just like Surfside?
exactly. It looks almost exactly like Surfside. Oh, except it has.
I've never been to Surfside.
Look at the beach pictures.
Oh, is that what? They don't have that at Surfside?
Nope, they have the surfer guys. Have you been to Surfside?
No.
Oh,
Have
a view of IHOP. Awesome.
Yes, IHOP.
Actually, you know what else
That's
we have a
funny.
view of? We can see Universal from here. Do you guys see
that's
Hogwarts?
cool.
I can see Hogwarts Castle. I can see the Rock and Roller Coaster.
You can see the new roller coaster.
Or sorry,
What's it called?
what is it? Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket? Oh yeah, can you see it?
The new Jurassic. Isn't it
The
Jurassic Park?
Velociraptor. Yeah.
Cool.
So that's kind of a cool view. That'll be a neat view at night. Are we already camped out? Look at this. Catch the wave. I like this. You guys know what time it is. Tim, take it away. It's room tour time. This is where the kids hang out during room tour time. Goodbye. Last night, once we got to the room, we were all kind of tired, so we just hung out in the room and relaxed. But we've never been to this resort, so this morning we're all kind of like, we want to check out the resort. Let's explore. Okay, let's go explore the Dockside Resort. Let's go. We are off to the food court. Super excited to try one of the specialties here at Dockside called chicken and waffles. You can only get it at this resort and it's their specialty.
Not even eat at no places that stay in. Yeah, you can't be
I'm glad Hunter and I are are sharing that, so I'm glad because that thing's huge.
Looks pretty good.
It does look good. But you guys got your favorites. What did you guys get?
Baja burrito.
The what is it?
Baja burrito.
Baja burrito.
So it's eggs, cheese, potatoes, and chorizo sausage.
What?
And it's good.
Yeah, this is the second time you guys got this one.
Yeah, it's really good.
that good. Off to hit the pool. Let's go swimming. It's a little cold.
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
Water's a little chilly. Yeah.
Like a lot. What do you think, Cal?
Cold, especially with the breezes.
We got a Coke and the kids got Shirley Temples at the pool, and we get free refills for 2 hours. We just go right to the Coca-Cola freestyle machine. How cool is that? It is checkout day, doing a quick sweep of the room to make sure we got everything. The kids and Tim already have a cart. They have those super cool carts here. So they already have the cart and they are waiting for me. I think we got everything, so let's head out. But don't worry, the fun is not ending yet. We are gonna go hit the gift shop before we leave and breakfast because, well, you know, we're hungry. And I also want to check out the super cool gift shop before we leave. Check out some of that, you know, Universal merch. I think on our last day we want to get like one of everything. Tim is trying the Mexican pizza or the breakfast pizza. Hunter is trying the smoothie machine. They have a smoothie and a milkshake and a cappuccino machine. One of everything. Oh, and I'm trying the avocado toast too. Avocado toast? Very California. It's like the, what is it? The for real, right? And what did you get?
I got strawberry banana smoothie.
Ooh, is this the shake it part?
Probably.
That one they do. Thought about doing it again, but then
Is that officially it? It looks more like an icy than a...
it's done.
Oh, look! Then it cleans it. Breakfast was delicious. I think we're all stuffed. Before we leave, we wanted to hit the gift shop. The merchandise shop is actually right in the lobby area. See? Lobby area. Starbucks, by the way. Starbucks. And the gift shop is right here. I love the endless summer merchandise. They have it here and then also at Surfside. But look, so cute. All the surfer stuff. Hunter went straight to Harry Potter. To find, ooh, look at these bags, Hunter. Wait, are these bags or?
They look like just like side bags.
The push. Yeah.
I wonder if they open.
Yeah, they're like handbags.
Are they like duffel bags?
They're like handbags.
Oh, handbags.
Basically.
Those are kind of cool. I like them. Ravenclaw. Where's ours, Kelly? Oh, there's ours. Boop, boop.
Right in the back.
In the back. They say don't put baby in the back. Don't put Hufflepuffs in the back.
Yes.
These are my favorite. We have one of these at home. Kelly got it. I think when they first opened Hogsmeade, we bought one of those. They're so cute. They're like a puppet. And they squawk. 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 Does that one squawk?
Doesn't seem like it.
Try right here. I love those. Does yours at home need a friend?
No.
Oh, maybe we should get this.
one.
Or that one? What's that one? Whose is that? Okay, so Hedwig and
Pigwidge. Pigwidgeon.
Pigwidgeon? Who's
Sounds
this
like a
Pigwidgeon?
Pokemon.
Who's this Pigwidgeon? All right, leave a comment, guys. Who's
Pigwidgeon sounds
Alice
like a
Pigwidgeon?
Pokemon.
And I'm sure we're saying that wrong.
Pigwidgeon. Sounds like a Pokemon.
It does sound like a Pokemon. I like this one too. Do you think this
That's
one's
the
a
Phoenix.
Is that a
That's the Phoenix.
Do you find more Pokemon stuff? Pokemon, sorry, we were just talking about Pokemon.
It was stroke the spine.
So here's all the endless summer merchandise I was talking about. Look how cute everything is.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the Dockside Resort. We sure did. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep on dreaming. Love you all. I can't. Love you all.
If escargot is fancy.
That actually is pretty funny. Escargot. Got a thing.
I like that name. I'm gonna go with escargot.